I don't know if the name is anyway. It's GVOER, the ear, for my earmuffs, the cushiony part. Pop. I don't like the way these started looking, right? Although it's peeling and I could take it all off, but they getting kind of like wore down. Or I guess they don't look too bad because you can't even tell. Like it's black, but the other side is peeling. I guess they still good, right? Because they not old. I bought them not too long ago, but it had like this pleather thing stuck to it, and that I just peeled it off because it was coming out. If they would have just did them with the material that is on right now, it would have been fine. I don't even know why they added. Oh, because they put the name of them here, but that was whack. They should have never did that. These, I just got them, and they seem to be like suede, like a little suede. They feel good, but they are a little thinner than those. But they feel smooth. I want it to be close up so you can see it. They not too skinny. I know they look skinny there, but they really not. They kind of thick. They feel like they're gonna be good, but then again, to be real with you, these were good. These were a little more, I think, but these are not too bad. And it doesn't have a pleather or anything on the side here, so it's nothing gonna be peeling or nothing. In fact, this is like a suede-ish, like suede material. That's what it feels like. And the back is the only thing that it has that pleather situation, and that goes around the earmuffs. So I'm gonna put them on right now and let you know how they feel. Hopefully they'll last a little long, but you got to be buying these often if you want to change them. But here's the thing. These don't look too bad either. When I record, boom, you can't even notice it. And I record with the lights down. This is like a lot of light in here right now. But for the most part, I just wanted to be comfortable with it. So I always buy a second pair or what have you. And I just felt like it's time to buy another pair because I felt, well, you know what? I wanted to clean them also, right? Because they be around hanging them up in the room and they catch like a smell from anywhere, right? Nobody puts on my earmuffs, but they got like I don't know, I guess they smelled like that, like the leathery smell. And then again, with my skin on it, sweating, so I just feel better if I just rinse them off every so often, and that's what I wanted to do. So I got me this pair while I let these dry up, and then I can always change them. I don't know. We'll see how that works. But if you ever wanted to get these, the link's in the description. Either pair, whichever one you want to get, they both good. I explained to you with these what happens, but I guess once they peel off, these were a decent pair. They nice and thick. These are good, and they cost cheaper, like less money than these. And this don't have that pleather situation where it's going to be peeling off. This is like a suede-ish material. And it's the same material as here all around. Nothing is here to peel. And that was the problem with these. But they seem to be a little smaller, but they fit. Let's check it out. So now I'm done with it. Bing. I don't know if you can see it there, but they go in perfect. Bing. And you place them right around with the leather part, like the pleather part that goes in it. Pop. And they fall right into socket. Ping, ping. These are cool, but they smaller than these. These are like big, and your ear gets to like, you got a lot of space. These come with a lot of space. These are like, they spacey though. But I guess since they knew, they just like feel like pop. They feel thick. And they feel pretty good. I'm happy I got them. I'm happy that they actually fit and are the size of these headphones. Facts. Let me know what you think. If you like them, plan on getting them, need some, whatever. So I placed the link to them in the description. They're pretty good. I like them. So they fit. And these headphones are the Audio Technicas. Pop. Can't complain. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you plan on getting these for your headphones? These are smooth and they comfortable. Time to play with my sim racing and my headphones. Bop.